Good morning. This is Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option.com with the Stock Market and Option Volatility Report. Hey, if you're not following me on Twitter and on YouTube, you're missing out. I put a lot of good stuff out. It's a good way to catch a lot of what we do. Yesterday on Mad Money with Jim Cramer, you'll see tonight's chart. This is Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option.com and tried and true VIX technician. That's a new one. Tried and true. I don't mind being tried and true. I think Lancelot was tried and true. He saved King Arthur a couple times, more than once. Also, really not tried and true because he hit on King Arthur's wife. Maybe not that tried and true. But really, the point is that I put out some interesting VIX stuff, and I'm going to talk about what I'm seeing. And let's start with the SPX. It seems to have found an area that is, if you look at a stock chart here, it seems to have, it's twice gotten over 2,900 and twice failed. Still holding the 50, which is about 13 points lower, but it's soft. Meanwhile, you can see what vol is doing down here, and you get a better look with VIX. VIX is crawling higher. All right. What's interesting, though, is that as VIX is crawling higher, VVIX, well, today it's finally getting a bid, but up until today, VVIX had been kind of getting punched. And so the price action we were seeing was they were buying options in SPX, selling options in VIX. So what does that lead us toward? That leads us toward they don't think we're going to have some sort of great volatility event, but they think we're going to have some movement, we're going to have some chop. They want to own gamma. And I don't disagree with them. I think that's the trade. I think that there's real opportunity for a lot of movement here. Other areas where we continue to see some movement. Apple is still really strong. Facebook is pretty strong. Come on. Facebook's pretty strong. But you can see the major indexes. SPY is down. Diamonds are down. The RUT was really the bellwether yesterday. That's down. And then the NDX is also down. So everything down marginally. I think we could see a couple of days of this just because I think things got overdone. China, continues to be a quagmire. And TLT, it had a little sell-off. It seems to be holding down here. I'm interested whether TLT is going to make another run at 135. And again, I'm not worried about the yield curve. I think that's silliness. I don't think the Fed is going to be lowering rates, but that doesn't preclude the fact that we could see rates, long-term bonds gain some value. On an individual basis, Beyond Meat, what a weird day. But yeah, that is a crazy, crazy one. Andrew and I are going to spend some time with that. Spend some time with Tesla, who just another article about why the Solar City deal was nothing but stealing from shareholders and investors. And then we're still keeping an eye on Revolve Clothing, which is back above 37 bucks. All right, everybody. I hope you have a great day. You got questions? You want to learn about our Edge Hunter sheets? Right now I'm looking for SPY butterflies going out, a couple of weeks, trying to see if I can find some edge anywhere. Email me, mark@option.com. Call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.